So yeah guys, ship spotted natin ngayon si Lady of Confidence ng Medallion Shipping. She is arrived at Kiwalan Anchorage area and maneuvering for Anchorage mga guys. Yan nga siya mga guys, oh. Lady of Confidence, shout out to all the crew of Lady of Confidence. Guys, hindi pa siya nakapag-secure. She is still maneuvering for Anchorage, but there's one palm boat approaching. Yan, palapit na siya dito guys, kasi dyan na parte ay malalim talaga yan dyan. Hindi aabot ang 5 shackle dyan. Gedungo maning barkuha ni. Gedungo. No?
Grabe itong manpil oy.
Duga lagi to manpil no?
Ang manpil nga